first ever deceased organ donation took place in Manipur, making it the first state in all of northeast India to do so. After Sarungbam Kennedy Singh, 42, was diagnosed with brain stem death, his mother and wife from Chingamathak, Nangmai Ragpam Laikai in Imphal West bravely decided to donate their loved ones' organs amidst intense grief and heartache. In process, 2 patients with end-stage kidney illness received both of his kidneys as a transplant, giving them a new lease on life. Professor Laishram Diben Singh, Director JNIM, said in a press release on Wednesday. Kennedy, a father of 2 boys, was admitted with multiple episodes of seizure and vomiting to Kripa Dashini Advanced Hospital Palace Compound, Imphal. During his stay at the hospital, his condition deteriorated and he showed hypoxic brain injury. On August 2, 2023, he was referred to Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS, Porampad, Imphal for further clinical management, Professor Diben Singh said. It is indeed very heartening to know that Imphal has had its first deceased organ donation. In fact, it's the first donation in all of northeast India. It is very encouraging to see how people in our country are always coming forward for such noble acts, and is a strong indication of community solidarity. This brave and generous act by the mother and wife of late Mr. Sarungbam Kennedy Singh will pave the way forward for many such life-saving donations, said Dr. Anil Kumar, Director, Noto National Organ and Tissue Transplant Organization, the apex body for organ donation and transplantation in India.